Hello?
Hello?
Where you been, bro?
Can you get up here and fucking take your clothes off for the fucking bachelor
where you
party?
At? Call me on
Bros. Why don't you come up to
call me on my
Bros?
cell phone. 314?
I'll talk to you later. You're fun. Talk to you later.
No. Why the f wouldn't you call me now?
Why don't you come up to Harpo's? Ask for Justine.
I was just at Harpo's rooftop. Where are you at?
Harpo's.
Alright, well call me right now. Will you type my number in your phone?
Yes.
Whatever, then I don't even give a fuck for real.
I'll talk to you later. You're fun. Talk to you later. Bye.
What's your number? Hey, what's your number? What's your number?
Harpo's.
What's your number?
Harpo's. Ask
That's
for
it?
Justine.
What up? It's Jeremy Crow. It's Jeremy Crow.
Why don't you come up to Harpo's?
I'm at Harpo's. Will you tell me your number?
I'm assuming that you're drunk, which makes you even better.
I'm Jeremy. You know Jeremy?
Yes.
Okay, well that's me. So will you tell me your number?
And I have red hair. I am whiter than you know.
You have red hair? Then never mind.
Yes.
Bye.
You're gay.